Kwa ihinda iraya, arimi a makadamia makoretwo makigirika kumana na wagi wa thoko ya magetha mao, uguri wa makadamia na thogora na wathi ukihotomia urimi wa mumera uria utoire urehagira bururi utonga wa mabilioni ma mbeca.
One being that the farmers have a huge cry that they have a lot of nuts that are still lying in their stores and others lying in their farms because there is no capacity to buy the nuts from the processors and the traders. In fact, it's from the statistics that were given by AFA themselves, about 1/3 of the current produce is still lying with the farmers. And the farmers are crying because they need to sell the produce, they need the money.
Arimi maugete makadamia makoretwo magibuthira migunda-ini makihoya thirikari gucokia riri wa urimi wa makadamia na njira ya guthondeka thoko njega.
Discuss very many things, including how that bottleneck can be dealt with. Part of it being to get money through commodity funding from the government, where the cooperatives can be empowered to buy produce from the farmers and pass it over to the processors so that the backlog is cleared.
Hindi ya gikaro na arimi, endia a makadamia na ruhonge rwa kuramata ukinyaniru wa IRIO AFA, murugamiriri wa ihinda wa ruhonge ruu John ATHOLA, niaugite thirikari niyarite mitaratara itiganite itemi-ini ria kuriukia urimi wa makadamia undu arimi mekugunika na meyonere uboco.
Of course, there was the issue of the capacity of the processors, and some of other things that have been discussed is about whether it might be necessary for the minister to lift the ban on the export of macadamia in shell. And it's been extensively discussed, and suggestions have been made that will be passed over to the minister that perhaps it might be useful to suspend the ban for at least 6 months to clear the backlog.
Hamwe na maundu mangi, thirikari irathugunda guthondeka kigina kiria arimi na endia a makadamia marirutaga ngombo kwambatiria ikiro cia magetha ma makadamia gukinyiria arimi mathomo hamwe na maundu mangi.
We talked about financing the value chain, and the stakeholders kept on saying that they lack affordable financing options to enable them lift the crop that is with the farmers. So we have been working with other government financing agencies like the Commodity Fund and also the Kenya Development Corporation to come up with a tailor-made product.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Wanjĩra wa Mũngai.